Welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody, welcome to this most important video of this year already. I'm super excited to say you guys have helped me reach my goal of getting to 2,000 subscribers by 2020. We have hit 2,000 subscribers in December. Oh, actually, I think in December. And at the beginning of December or at the end of November. You guys have made it happen. So I'm giving back. Yay! Okay, so here's the deal. And thanks to all of your support and positive energy in the comments, I'm going to do this giveaway. Now, it does have a couple of stipulations. You need to be subscribed to here and my Instagram. And what you'll do is comment below which item you want and a comment on why you like my channel and if I inspired you, and 2, what I can do to make it better. And that's it. And it will last for a full week, and I will announce at random on Saturday on my Instagram, and then I'll post it later probably on YouTube. I'm not sure how that works. This is new to me. I've done it once and I was awful at it. So let's try again. Now, I do need to ask that you do not give me any grief, okay? I understand we all live in different parts of the world, and I understand some places are more expensive than others. So my reasoning behind how I labeled these was strictly on what I thought would work. Granted, they are all pretty much equal in price. I don't really know, but I think they're all good. So let's just get to it. So we have an international giveaway. Woo! I know that my international people get so frustrated because not many people in the US do international giveaways because it's so expensive to ship. But you guys, I feel ya. But the thing is, most of my support system on this channel comes from across seas, from you guys. So I really want to support you, or at least give thanks the best I can and what my wallet will allow. Now, I do want to state that there will be some surprise giveaways throughout the week. Yay! So you need to check out my Instagram. Now, there will be hints kind of splurred about. I'll give updates on that. But this is the international. We have A and B. One is a planner set, which is a micro, and one is a kawaii accessory set with notebook. And it's super cute. So international here. Now, I understand that a lot of you may go for B because of the planner, but please, if you don't get it, don't give me grief, okay? And then US, yay! You guys have the options of C and D. Your planner of choice, or of my choice, is the notes. I actually really wanted to use this, but I'm not a disc girl. I'm just not. But it has a bunch of goodies, a lot of paper, bookmarks, a couple floral pins that match. You also have the add-ons and a notebook. Now, the thing is, with the international, you have a huge stack of stuff. You also get a sticker book full of Planner Society stickers, these guys. Thank you, Francis, for giving me this, by the way. I know you're watching, but I think that it would be better for me to give it to somebody else that will use it, because since my declutter, I'm not going to use this. If you're not okay with that, please let me know and I'll replace it with something else. 2 cute kawaii pins, highlighter set, and amazing Papermate flares. I love them so much. Boom. Okay, then we have the travel set, the near travel set. US travel set has this really cool pin case. Inside, you have a pad of paper, some Post-its, a couple of paper clips apparently, and some pins, and then a couple of notebooks and a keychain. Now, you guys may ask, well, why did they get that? But the thing is, you guys have a lot more you got paper clips and tabs and a bunch of other goodies in here. And if that's not good enough, I'm sorry, but I really am giving what I think you would like. So, this is my pin. Sorry, guys. So, This is the first giveaway. There is going to be an Instagram giveaway, and it's for, there's going to also be one for US and also one international. Now, I do ask that you guys be very patient with me when mailing this. I'm not going to take a month, I swear. But I have to collect funds, find out how much it is, and then somehow collect the funds to do it. I've saved some money. Don't think I can't. I have saved money to do this, but you never know how much it could be because I don't know who my international people are going to be. Now, I know Canada is international. I'm going to have to do a separate giveaway for Canada because I have, my best friend is in Canada and it's super pricey to ship to Canada. So I was thinking of doing a planner giveaway for my Canadians. So more on that, sneak peek. Boom. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out my video, my live stream. There's going to be a surprise on there. I'm doing a live stream today, I believe, if not tomorrow, and it's going to be setting up my A5 planner. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Remember what to do. If not, shame on you. Haha, just kidding. But I love you so much. Thank you again to all my lovely, lovely men and women and your beautiful planner support. And until next time, bye.